My name is Kevin Bayer. I'm one of the founders of a drying system for the consumer packaged goods industry, and we're constantly listening to the customers' concerns and learn how we can help them. JetAir is unique in the marketplace because we have a very innovative approach to developing technology that is necessary. The SureCode is a combination drying and coating system that we have built with Domino, and the integration is taking two completely separate pieces of machinery, put them together, make it flexible, and give a control system that allows the operator to know what's going on. And it takes all the mystery out of, is my product dry enough for coating? Is the dust removed enough for coating? Now it is a single point responsibility of drying and coating, and the containers that go through this are going to come out perfect.
I'm excited to introduce to you today the SureCode. The SureCode is a coating machine with integrated surface preparation. Let's take a look inside. Inside you'll find two stainless steel air knives, dual wall construction that helps with your decibel level, and all the water capture you need for any overspray. On the coating side, it's powered by the Domino AX550i. You can access that Domino 550i right here. It's all at your fingertips. Our HMI controls both the coater and the printer and is done to PAC-ML standards. SureCode has a very small footprint and installation is very easy. The bottom piece rolls below your line and the top piece comes over and is bolted on. Installation takes minutes.
If we can take some line space away, we do a really good job for the customers, because putting equipment on a line is a very expensive and difficult challenge because you're moving all sorts of components that are already there. If we can shorten that distance and put it into one component, it works so much better.
My name is David Deagle, and I'm the Canning Sector Development Manager for Domino North America. So the food and beverage manufacturing industry, whether it be food canning, two-piece, three-piece, or beverage canning, has an inherent issue with dampness on the tops and the bottoms of their products. Through that process, it doesn't allow for a correct coating, and potentially your retail customers not being able to read what they need to for your quality assurance schemes. In the case of what the market has been asking us is that we would like the optimal machine for drying your packages and for coating it with the newest technologies. The end result of this application creates clear and concise codes on every can, every bottle, every package to give you the best chance for vision readability and quality of your product at the end of the line.
We were excited when Domino came to us because Domino said, hey, you guys are innovative. We have some interesting ideas, let's talk. We have been looking for a company like Domino for years. Their technology is fantastic. It is far beyond what's out there, and they're always looking for better ways of putting code or printing on a container. We're doing the same thing with the air. We're always looking for better ways of putting air on the container. And the two cohesive mindsets creates a fantastic relationship.